Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about leadership presence language systems. Leadership presence creates attention. Attention increases influence. Influence shapes outcomes. Most people seek attention loudly. Leaders attract attention calmly. Presence requires confidence. Confidence strengthens communication. Leaders speak with stability. Stable communication builds trust. They maintain emotional control. Control improves perception. Leaders use calm authority. Authority increases credibility. Credibility strengthens leadership. Strong leadership creates direction. Leaders communicate intentionally. Intentional communication increases impact. They do not overreact. Overreaction weakens presence. Presence is not volume. Presence is control. Presence is clarity. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.